Prajat, I'm sure I'm butchering that name. Wouldn't be the first time. Apologize. With a question on a Roger CPA review plus Ninja study plan for BEC. I take BEC in 3 weeks and need help comprehending the application of the CPA exam concepts. I recently took BEC and scored a 62. I did well in the economics portion but struggled with internal control, COSA principles, financial management, IT. Is there a way to better comprehend the material? I'm going through the notes, and sometimes it makes sense, and sometimes I have no idea what the question is asking. Currently, I have Roger CPA Review and Ninja. I did all of the modules for Roger CPA. I review my notes for each section, but I'm just memorizing information, not comprehending it. I'm getting started with Ninja, and I wish the notes and lectures fit better together with the MCQ. Some MCQ topics aren't heavily covered in the lectures and sometimes are very lightly touched on in the notes. So here's the thing with any CPA review course, we do our best to cover what is going to be on the exam, but if we covered every single nuance of every single topic, it wouldn't be a review course. It'd be like a semester of college. And so it's a review course. Now, that said, the principles that I use is that I cover the must-know topics at a level that won't make you hate life. So the Ninja book, it's got everything and the kitchen sink, but we tried to scale that kitchen sink and that kitchen down to where it fit into a tiny house. How's that for an analogy? It's either a review course or it's a cram. And so there's a place for a cram, and it's okay if you thought that what I just said was the stupidest thing you've ever heard. That's okay. It's either a review course or a cram. There's a place for a cram. There's a place for a review course. And if you're going to cover everything, you cover everything to a detail that's acceptable for passing the CPA exam. That said, we can't cover everything, and your MCQ explanations, they will fill in the gaps. And so for BEC, what your Roger course and your Ninja lectures, audio notes, etc. don't cover, the MCQ will fill in the gaps, because you can teach things from a conceptual level, but then there's how does the AICPA actually test that information on the CPA exam. So you can learn everything about cost accounting for BEC, but how does the AICPA actually test that on the exam? And so there's your concepts, then there's your application. And if I were to pick one, I would pick learning the concepts through the application and the MCQ. Definitely a place for watching lecture videos, notes, etc. But if I had to pick one, if I can only pick one thing to do, it would be working your MCQ. And each question, in theory, provides 4 learning opportunities. Why one is correct and why the other 3 answer explanations or answer choices are not correct. And so the best you can do is watch your lectures, take good notes, work your MCQ, take notes of your MCQ, rewrite your notes, watch your cram, take notes of your cram as you can, review, and then go in and take your exam. And so I would just trust that your MCQ, so I would watch your Roger lectures, rewrite your Ninja notes, do your Ninja MCQ, take notes of your Ninja MCQ, and watch the Ninja cram, and go in and take your exam, and I think you'll be just fine.